Hi guys, today we're going to be fitting the B&B Off Road Radiator guards to Honda's awesome Africa Twin. To fit the guards, all we'll need is a 3mm Allen key, a 10mm wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver and a 5mm Allen key. What you'll receive in your packet with your radiator guards is 2 side plates, 2 sets of radiator guards, extruded and CNC machined. The mount hardware will just consist of 2 cap screws and a 5mm button head. The radiator guards also come in a black finish, but today we'll be just fitting the polished ones because it'll be a little bit easier for you all to see. Okay, to install the guards, the first thing you'll need to do is remove the genuine plastic laundry basket that comes on the bike. To do this, it's just 3 plastic rivets, one here and one here, and a Phillips head 5mm screw. The plastic rivets are there, one down here, and the screw goes in there. These are quite easy to get off. You just get your 3mm Allen key, push the button in, and they'll come out like that. Now you need these to install the radiator guards, so just push them back out like that, and then they're ready to go when you put the side plate on. The next thing you'll need to do is remove the bolts that hold the radiator on, which we've already loosened. And then you'll be ready to install the radiator guard. So now you've got all the genuine stuff out of the way, you can start by installing the side plate. To do this, you just get the 5mm screw that are supplied, which goes in there. You don't have to do it up tight, just lightly, just roughly in its position. You then get the 2 plugs, and line them up with the holes in the plastic, push them in, clamp them up tight with your fingers and just push the button through. Same with the top one. Clamp the aluminium plate and the side cover together with your fingers and push the button in. And that's the side plate installed. So once you've got the plugs in, you can now nip up the little 5mm bolt with your 3mm Allen key. Next, install the main body of the radiator guard. Just use the genuine bolts that came out of it before. Now this is maybe the only fiddly bit because there's nothing holding the radiator other than the tension of the radiator hoses, so you might have to wiggle the radiator around a bit until you get it started like that. Same with the top one, you might have to push the radiator up from the bottom just to get the bolt started. That one went in pretty good. Now they're all the holes are slotted, so there's plenty of play and room to get the bolts in. The last step really is to put the M6 cappies through the radiator into the faceplate. Don't tighten anything up just yet. Just get everything started and lightly seated. You can firm it up now. Grab your 10mm socket. Nip that up. And you're done. The only difference between the left and the right side really is the horn installation. To make this left side easier while you're putting it on, I just tuck the horn up into the wire and loom up there. The only extra components you'll get are this spacer and bolt. So you just simply put the spacer behind the horn bracket and then do it up in its original position. Swing the horn over to just before it touches the frame and do that up. You might want to put a bit of Loctite on that one, but other than that, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Now, apart from being made from a super strong aluminium extrusion, these have got louvers designed like a motocross bike so that very little debris can come straight in at the radiator fins. So that increases your protection and gives maximum airflow. The other good part about these is if you've been on a really muddy ride or so forth, you just remove the 4 bolts and the face just comes off, and then you can hose in there and clean it all out. If you have any questions, just go to our website, bbOffroad.com.au, and go to the contacts page, and we're happy to answer any questions. So we've just fitted the black ones, as this is my personal bike and I actually prefer them. We just thought we'd give you a look at what they look like fitted up.